also making noodles and they're getting ready. Yeah. And yes, they're ready. You know what? I like them. I don't like them dry. I just like them like this. Okay. I think it's fine. Just simple noodles. Ready to eat. Soupy noodles. Okay, so now tell me that do you guys have any kind of nickname for the noodles, or do you also call your noodles just noodles? Alright, so do comment any nickname if you have for the noodles. Alright, let's go outside. Let's just sit here and enjoy these noodles, and also while the sun is setting. Well, the weather is like this right now in Pretoria, South Africa. Yeah, you know what, there I was not comfortable while sitting like that and also eating because I really want to talk with you guys. So do tell me that what else we can add while making our noodles. Simple. Yeah. Do share your ideas, okay? Well, I finished the noodles and that's all for today. Okay. So before logging off, let me show you around. Let me show you some scenery. Thank you so much for watching my video, and also do subscribe to my channel. I will really and highly I appreciate it. Okay, thank you so much.